Hi, welcome back to the channel. So today, I've got a weld repair to do. Right, I bought an exhaust off eBay for the Focus ST. I think it's a Miltek, but I'm not 100% sure. It has got tags on it, but it doesn't say who's it by, or they're just reference numbers probably. But at the minute this is turned upside down, and I'll bring it in closer in a second. But on the bottom of it, it's got a crack all the way around it on the bottom half. So what I'm going to do, it's only going to be a quick video. We'll do a weld repair on that. It's got two clamps on it, which I've got two new ones, so we'll get the old ones off, these ones put on, and then I think over the weekend Alan's down to help me do a bit of work on the ST, so hopefully if we can, we'll get this put on. So that's the plan. So I'll bring it in, show you around the crack, and then we'll get set up ready to weld it. Right, here's the crack. It's cracked all the way around the edge of the weld, so all we're going to do is just re-weld it back in. It looks like it's blowing from here as well, so I might just run a bead all the way down both sides. So that's the plan. The other side, slight crack on there as well, so we'll do a full bead all the way around and along the seams both sides. So that's what we'll do. So yeah, we're going to set up, get it cleaned up, and crack on. Right, what I've got, I don't know what they actually called, but it's like a Scotch Brite on the drill. So we'll give it a good clean with this, and then we'll get welding. At the minute I can't do arc shots. I'm gonna see what I can do about making something on the 3D printed, or just so I can get the GoPro on, so I can get some arc shots. So yeah, happy days. Right, I'm not the best at TIG welding, but I'll give it a go. The more I can do it, the more, the better I'll get. So I'm using 1.6mm tungsten and a 1.6mm filler wire, so let's see how it goes. Need to find some gloves.
When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, I'm here. When you need my voice, sweet, 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 sweet. when you need my voice.
Right, that's done.
I'm here when you need.
What I'll do now is I'll go along
I'm here
2 beads.
when you need.
Put the F on it out. I need a bigger workbench. Yeah, looking alright. Right, happy days. I have got a couple of little holes that I've made, so I'll get them filled in. I'll flip it over, clean the other side, and get that welded up as well. Right, it's all done. It's not the prettiest, but I had a bit of a hole there, and I had a bit of a hole there. But yeah, it's not the prettiest, but it's going to be sealed and it will do the job nice, no more blowing. So what I'll do now is I'll let that cool down, turn it over, I'll get the other side done, off camera, and then yeah, I'll cut back in. Guys, that's all the welding done now. So what I want to do now is get these 2 clamps off, 2 new clamps on, and then job's a good one. Tight down. Right, that's snapped. Happy days. Sound that. So I don't need to move them or anything like that, just new clamps on. Just I didn't like the look of the old ones, so. Sound. Right, so that's pretty much it now. That's welded. The end's been cleaned. You can see on there. Yeah, all the ends been cleaned off. So hopefully the other piece will just slide straight on. Job's a good one. So yeah, that's it really. Right, so that's it. Nice, easy, quick job. I'm not the best at welding. With TIG, still learning with it, so I'm happy with how it's come out. No one is ever going to see it unless it's getting MOT'd and the MOT tester sees it, but other than that, no one else sees it, so I'm not really bothered about it. So it's not going to leak, it's going to do the job, so happy days. So yeah, if you like this little video, like, subscribe, share, drop your thoughts in comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.